Before I came to Hugh Baird, I was actually in a sixth form. It just wasn't for me, as it was all like just sitting down, watching a computer. So when I found out that Hugh Baird was more hands-on learning, I knew that this was the college for me. The simulation suite is like the really fantastic piece of equipment. These can do like cardiac arrests, you can learn your vital signs, learn how to do cannulation. So for Hugh Baird to actually get them, I think was a fantastic opportunity for health and social care students. If you want the hands-on experience that you need before going into like any health and social role, Hugh Baird's the place. They offer support finding your placements, so you're not in a boat where you're like struggling trying to find somewhere to go. The tutors, mentors, you create a bond with them, so any issues, any help that you need, they're always there to support you. I was always a shy kid growing up. I was never as confident like before I came to this college. From my very first day, I made a huge group of friends that I stuck with through the whole 2 years of my course. Being able to actually get help to come out of my shell and become a better person was fantastic.